Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL, American Airlines. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 1050 was a key area of support going into the day. And to give some credit where credit's due, the first hour of the day, the price did a good job of holding there. But then you can see during that part right there where the price ultimately fell below it, that was basically what opened the floodgates to cause the price to drift all the way down to that $10 green line before starting to go sideways, which you can see, I mean, the power of charts. Amazing how the price just happened to stop right there at that green line at $10. But $10 is a very, very important level. What I'm going to do here is change to the daily time frame because $10, as you see here, is where the price leveled off down here back in late March. So we had a low down around, like I said, March 18th, March basically 20th. But point here being, the price, this is right where the last bounce occurred at $10. Or in other words, if the price just collapses down below $10, at that point, I guess I don't know this for sure, but that might be all-time lows that the price is now all of a sudden at. So there's the big question right now, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I guarantee you everybody that uses charts is watching wondering the same thing. $10 produced a very nice bounce last time. Is another bounce coming? Some sort of double bottom? I wish I could say trading was this easy and that just because the price last time produced a bounce that it will for sure guaranteed produce a bounce again. But trading's not quite that easy. My point, though, is it's at least a rational thought to have. Case in point, let's say that the price has never bounced off $10 and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it could bounce off $10. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? But in this situation, I'm basing it on the fact that it has before. Again, a guarantee that it'll happen again? No. Is it at least a rational and a valid thought to have? Absolutely. So $10, everybody's going to be watching that level. And then again, going back into that 30-minute time frame here. If there is some sort of bounce from that area, then yeah, the first key kind of big test of that bounce is going to be how does the price react around that 1050 mark. But yeah, everybody and their sister's uncle is going to be watching this $10 mark going into Friday. So we'll see if the price can hold above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.